Are you starting a digital agency? My name is Charles Shar. I'm the founder at PaidToday. We build software for people just like you. I've been building software since I was 12 years old, and I've been doing it for the last 30 years. Let me take you on a quick tour of what you need as a new agency. Go ahead and click the link below for more details. In the meantime, sit back, relax, and take this in. There's probably 3 core issues that you face as a new agency. Number 1, what tools to use. Number 2, how to get more customers. And number 3, how to keep those customers. These are the core problems that almost all businesses face. Most people get stuck solving those problems at low levels instead of doing what's the most important activity an entrepreneur, business owner, salesperson can do, which is spending time in the presence of prospects, right? IPOP, in the presence of prospects. That's where all business happens. We can spend as much time as we want organizing files, setting up new things. You might even find yourself digital hoarding, downloading template after template, unable to deploy one and move forward. Hey, I get it. I've been there. I know better than most. At PaidToday, we realize that entrepreneurs in the 21st century face a unique set of problems that didn't really exist before. In the old days, you had a trade, people knew you, and business just kind of came to you if you were decent at it. Now, with a global connected economy, you have to differentiate yourself. And one of the best ways that you can do that is to set yourself up from the beginning with some of the best tooling you can get so you can spend more time in front of prospects. Right? So software is a tool, but oftentimes people use it as a distraction. Let me guess. Most of you watching this probably have a bunch of free accounts at different products or platforms, and you spend your time stitching them together either manually or maybe using something like Zapier or another integration tool. Everything that we do in business has a cost, whether it's an economic cost or a time cost. Time costs are actually probably the most expensive. We can always get more money, but we can't always get more time. So at PaidToday, we created a product as a result of our own experiences trying to build and deploy CRMs connected to websites, online booking, payments, etc. We created a tool that solved all that for you in one place. You no longer have to worry about what tools to pick. You no longer have to worry about setting up a website. You no longer have to worry about figuring out a CRM, making sure it's cost effective. Am I really going to use it? Because let me ask you this, is this a side hustle or is this your primary gig? If this is a side hustle, you want to make sure that your investments pay off, that you invest where it matters. There's a couple of key points that I want to touch on as a brand new entrepreneur. Have you ever had to call a customer and ask him to pay you? Now you don't have to. Have you ever argued with a customer and you knew you were right about some communication? Now you don't have to. Have you ever gotten frustrated trying to get one app to talk to another? Now you don't have to. Have you ever waited and waited and waited and waited to get your website updated? Now you don't have to. Have you ever sifted through your email or cell phone looking for a prospect or a customer's information? Now you don't have to. Have you ever wondered what software to use for your business? No, you don't have to. Get paid today.